Hey guys, Steve here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to scrap Google search results without any paid tools in a Clay. So if you are new here, I'm Deepika, GTM expert. In this channel, you can learn everything about the GTM workflows that actually books high qualified sales calls every single month. Without wasting any time, just get into it. So for that, you have this option like new. Here you can see workbook and folder. Workbook means the table that you have created for specific activities, and folder means this is the list of workbook. So I'm just now creating workbook. Here you can see all options in a Clay inbuilt. Just click all sources. Here you can search, find Google search, and just click that. Now you can see all the details like input. Here you should add a query and number of results, language you need, and the country you need to tell him. I'm just giving a query. So now I want to scrap the people who are in HR manager role in a SaaS companies, or I want to search them in a LinkedIn. So I'm just giving that site. This is not like normal Google search. If you go to Google and you can search whatever you want, like a conversation. But in Clay, you have to give this like a structured query so that we have to learn about this and number of results. In this, you can only pull 300 results per search. So whenever you want to check something and you just need to start with small, I'm just giving 50, and the language I'm just giving as usual English, and country I'm go with United States. Once again, check all of these queries and the inputs. Just click submit. Now you can see all the inputs that you have gave before. That is like a search query, country, language, and number of results, that all. So if you want to run this action again and again without any manual work, you can schedule that by clicking this whenever you need to add this, and one day, like how many days between it will have to run again and again. So I'm just do it for testing. So click manually. Here you can see all the scrap data of 50 peoples who are in HR manager level in SaaS companies. If you click any one of the cell, you can see all the details about that person, like their personal LinkedIn profile and the role and the source where it got from, and favicon URL and the short snippet of their profile descriptions or details, and position, redirecting, everything. If you want to add any of this in a new column, you just need to select which one you want to add in a new column. Just click that and add to column. Give a name for it and just create the column. Now it will be created as a new column. You can see this. And if you need to edit any input, just click there and edit source, edit inputs. Here you can change anything you need. So I'm just giving CEO instead of HR manager. Now I'm just clicking submit. It will be updated by the CEO of SaaS companies people list. Now you can see all the people's data right here. So this is how normal native method of Google search without any paid tools. So I think this is the simplest way to scrap Google search results. But most people get tired of this because of the main problem. They don't know how to write the right query. So in the next video, I'll explain how to use query properly. So stay tuned guys. See you in the next video. Bye.